Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about the best time to apply for Wayflyer funding, based on what I've learned firsthand as an e-commerce business owner. Timing your Wayflyer application. A lot of people ask, when is the perfect time? The straight answer is, when you have a clear, immediate growth opportunity that is constrained by cash flow. This funding isn't for a rainy day in 6 months. It's for an opportunity right now. I found the optimal time to apply was just before a major inventory restock, or right before a planned, significant marketing push, especially one tied to a seasonal peak like Black Friday or the holidays. Here's why I say that. Inventory gap. Wayflyer is designed for e-commerce. As you grow, your inventory orders get bigger, tying up more cash for longer. I applied when I knew my next order was going to be my largest ever, and paying for it would completely drain my working capital. Getting the Wayflyer advance meant I could secure the stock I needed without stalling my daily operations. Performance data is key. They look at your revenue and performance data. The best time is when your sales are consistently strong. Not just one great month, but a sustained upward trend over the last 6 months. When I applied, my metrics showed healthy growth, which, in my experience, leads to a better offer. If your sales have been erratic or recently dipped, it's best to wait until your data reflects a solid, predictable upward trajectory. Their speed is your advantage. Unlike a traditional bank loan that takes months, Wayflyer's process is fast. They analyze your connected sales platforms, Shopify, Amazon, your ad accounts, and you can literally get an offer in hours and funding in as little as 24 or 48 hours. This speed is a huge part of the best time calculation. You don't need to apply 6 weeks in advance. You apply when a specific need is pressing. So, to summarize my personal experience, the best time to apply is when your data is strong and you have a high confidence near-term expense, like a huge inventory order or a massive ad budget increase, that will directly lead to more sales, which you know you can pay back from the resulting revenue. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.